Here are some important information about Porsche. 911 Turbo S Exclusive Series 991 Facelift is a high-performance variant of the iconic 911 Turbo S, showcasing enhanced features and exclusive design elements. Here's a detailed overview. General overview: manufacturer: Porsche model 911 Turbo S Exclusive Series 991 Facelift. Years of production: 2017 to 2019. Engine and performance: engine type 3.8-litre twin turbocharged flat 6 power. Output: approximately 607 horsepower, 620 horsepower. Torque: around 750 Newton meters, 553 pound-feet. Transmission: 7-speed PDK, dual clutch automatic, 0 to 60 miles per hour, approximately 2.8 seconds. Top speed: about 205 miles per hour, 330 kilometers per hour. Design and features: body style, two-door coupe or convertible. Dimensions: length, approximately 4,491 millimeters, 176.6 inches. Width, approximately 1,852 millimeters, 72.9 inches. Height, approximately 1,296 millimeters, 51.0 inches. Wheelbase, 2,450 millimeters, 96.5 inches. Weight, approximately 1,640 kilograms, 3,615 pounds. Exterior features: unique design elements including exclusive paint options and carbon fiber accents. Specially designed front and rear bumpers for improved aerodynamics. Lightweight components to enhance performance. Interior seating capacity: 2+2, 4 seats. Materials: high-quality leather, Alcantara and carbon fiber throughout the cabin. Technology: advanced infotainment system with a touchscreen display, navigation, smartphone integration, and premium Burmester audio system. Unique interior trim and badging exclusive to the Turbo S Exclusive Series. Suspension and handling: suspension Porsche active suspension management, PASM, for optimal handling and comfort. Brakes: high-performance brakes with optional carbon ceramic discs for enhanced stopping power. Drive system: all-wheel drive, AWD, for superior traction and stability. Special features: limited production. Only 500 units produced, making it a collector's item. Exclusive options: customization options available through Porsche. Exclusive manufacturer, allowing for tailored finishes and details. Market and pricing: price: the starting price for the Porsche 911 Turbo S Exclusive Series was approximately $257,000, with prices varying based on options and market demand. Conclusion: the Porsche 911 Turbo S Exclusive Series 991 Facelift is a remarkable blend of luxury, performance, and exclusivity. With its powerful engine, advanced technology, and unique design features, it stands out as a pinnacle of the 911 lineup, appealing to enthusiasts and collectors alike.